Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. Today we shall be looking at how we get magnitude of a vector. At our introduction to vectors, we saw that the magnitude of a vector is represented by the length of the straight line. So, we are to look at how we get the length of that straight line, which represents the magnitude. We shall consider vector OA with position vector A given as xy. The magnitude of position vector A, or the magnitude of vector A, is denoted by the modulus of A and given by the modulus of A is given by the square root of the square of x component plus the square of the y component. However, how do we arrive to this formula for magnitude? Graphically, if we plot our point A, which has x and y coordinates, it will be x from the origin, and it will be at y still from the origin. Meaning, we shall have the horizontal displacement of vector A given as x and the vertical displacement of vector A given as y. Therefore, if we want to get the length of vector A, then we shall use the Pythagoras theorem, whereby the hypotenuse, which is the length we want, the square of the hypotenuse, OA, equals to the square of the horizontal displacement plus the square of the vertical displacement, hence giving us a squared as x squared plus y squared. And when we get the square roots, we get the modulus of A as the square root of x squared plus y squared. And that is how we get the length or the magnitude or the modulus of a vector. Let us have examples. In our example, we are asked to find the modulus of A plus B. The question says, given that vector A is -7, 3, vector B is -4, 0, then we find the modulus of A plus B and the modulus of 2B minus A. So for us to get the modulus of A plus B, we shall first add. So we first add vector A plus vector B, whereby it is -7, 3 plus -4, 0. When adding, we consider corresponding components. That is, we have -7 plus -4 and 3 plus 0. which gives us negative 11, 3. That is A plus B. Then, for the modulus of A plus B, we shall have, this is our x component or x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. Therefore, the modulus of this is given by x squared plus y squared under a square root. So we substitute. Where we have x squared, we write negative 11 squared. For y squared, we write 3 squared. Hence giving us the square root of 121 plus 9, which gives us the square root of 130 as the length of our vector A plus B. So we first add and after get the length or the modulus using the formula. So that is how we end up with getting the magnitude of a vector. Otherwise, that will mark the end of our lesson today. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to all our YouTube channels from Wuna Educational Services, which include Teacher Ivan's online class, Wuna e-learning platform, and the Wuna Kids platform. Please subscribe, watch, comment, like, and share with classmates, friends, and family. Otherwise, at Wuna e-learning platform, at Wuna Kids platform, at Teacher Ivan's online class, we always wish to have lessons with you conveniently from your bed, from your sitting room, from anywhere. And we shall always endeavor to improve until we become the best. Thank you. We meet you next time.